Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Dr. Kajal's Clinic. I am Dr. Kajal Ghoshal, homeopathic physician. This is my small effort to reach homeopathy door to door and daily problem solutions for everyone. Today my topic is on hair fall or hair loss. This is the most common problem faced by all age groups of both male and female. Hair fall or hair loss is also known as alopecia or baldness, which indicates excessive hair loss or hair shedding more than usual. Roughly, we lose 80 to 100 hairs per day from our scalp. Normally, new hair replaces the lost hair, but it does not happen always. So, anyone can notice hair loss from the scalp. Hair fall can develop throughout the year or may happen abruptly, so it can be permanent or temporary. Most of the people have a tendency to use expensive hair products, parlor products, hair spa, hair mask, various hair therapy externally, but they can't understand that the actual problem is inside or internal. Possible causes of hair fall or hair loss are: number 1, hormone imbalance. First, we consider TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone. When your body is unable to balance TSH level, it causes female pattern of alopecia. Then, estrogen. During pregnancy, decreased level of estrogen causes hair fall. Then we consider testosterone, which is converted to dihydrotestosterone or DHT with the help of an enzyme 5-alpha reductase. This DHT or dihydrotestosterone is responsible for male pattern of alopecia. Number 2, genetic, hereditary or family history of alopecia with the age is the most common cause of hair fall or hair loss. Number 3, poor nutrition. It causes hair loss and other hair problems. When your body is devoid of sufficient iron and vitamin C, it causes malnutrition. This iron and vitamin C have a great bonding between them. When you are taking iron properly in your diet but not taking vitamin C, then your body is unable to absorb iron without vitamin C. Number 4, poor circulation to scalp due to lack of exercise. So, regular yoga and physical exercises are highly recommended. Number 5, side effects of certain drugs, medications and other supplements which are used for the treatment of cancer, gout, depression, arthritis and other heart problems causes hair fall. Number 6, mental trauma, emotional shock, prolonged stress, anxiety, nervousness also causes hair fall. Number 7, physical trauma after surgery, accident or any injury causes huge hair fall. Number 8, protein deprivation is also responsible for hair loss during strict dieting, rapid weight loss program. Number 9, temporary huge hair fall is noticed after pregnancy, childbirth and after menopause. Number 10, when somebody is taking and undergoing chemotherapy during cancer treatment also causes huge hair fall. Number 11, vitamin deficiency. Vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B7 or biotin and vitamin A are very important for hair growth and hair nourishment. Lack of these vitamins are responsible for excessive hair loss. Number 12, frequent hair strain and tight pulling during professional hairstyling, overuse of hair straightener, hair dryer, chemical-based shampoo, conditioner, hair spa, hair bleach are also responsible for excessive hair loss. Number 13, so when somebody is taking anabolic steroid abused by some athletes to bulk up muscles who lose hair excessively. Number 14, dandruff, ringworm, eczema, psoriasis, fungal infections of scalp are responsible for excessive hair loss. Number 15, improper digestion and metabolism also causes hair fall. Number 16, suffering from few diseases like jaundice, polycystic ovarian syndrome, diabetes, anemia and secondary syphilis also causes excessive hair loss. Number 17. Environmental pollution also causes hair loss. Number 18. Few people have a typical mania to pull out hair always. This is a psychological disorder. It is called trichotillomania. Now the part is diagnosis. Persistent hair loss often indicates an underlying health issue. This issue can only resolve when we can find out the root cause of the disease. So now I am discussing the different types of alopecia. Number 1, androgenic alopecia. Both male and female pattern of alopecia. Here, continuous thinning of hair forming the transparent area over scalp. This is the most common type of progressive hair loss and is believed to have strong genetic and hereditary link. Number 2, frontal fibrosing alopecia. This is a scaring type of alopecia and mostly affects postmenopausal women. Here, bald of symmetrical hair loss over the front and sides of the scalp near forehead worsens over time. Few people may experience eyebrow and eyelash hair loss due to hormonal component. Number 3, traction alopecia. In this type of alopecia, hair is gradually lost due to frequent strain or pulling during various professional hairstyles like tight ponytails, braids, cornrow, chemical treatments, hair curler or dreadlocks. Number 4, alopecia barbae. This type of alopecia only affects beard and can present as a single bald patch or more extensive hair loss across entire beard area. Number 5, alopecia areata patchy. This is an autoimmune disorder. The most common variation results in small, round, patchy hair loss from the scalp. Many patients experience spontaneous hair regrowth in a few months with or without any treatment. Number 6, alopecia areata totalis. Here the scalp incurs total hair loss from the scalp and it may happen within 6 months after the onset of disease. Number 7, alopecia areata universalis, a rare and advanced form of alopecia areata totalis. And this affects entire scalp with complete hair loss from the scalp gradually or abruptly. Number 8, cicatricial alopecia. It refers to a group of rare diseases which destroys hair follicles and replace them with the scar tissue, causing permanent hair loss. Number 9, anagen effluvium. Main causes are taking drugs, toxins, radiation, receiving chemotherapy. Disruption to cell divisions in the hair matrix, which causes hair narrowed at the base and susceptible to breakage of hair. Number 10, telogen effluvium, which causes excessive temporary loss of telogen hair. Telogen effluvium can be triggered by a number of events like high fever, severe infection, psychological stress, major physical trauma, surgery, childbirth, excessive weight loss, excessive change in diet, iron deficiency, hypo and hyperthyroidism. Number 11, tinea capitis. This is a type of tinea infection caused by Microsporum and Trichophytum group of bacteria. Number 12, folliculitis. It happens over the scalp area that turns to fibrosis in course of time. Number 13, lichen planopilaris. This is a type of skin disease due to abnormal autoimmune reaction. Number 14, trichotillomania. This is a typical mania caused by abnormal pulling of hair shaft and twisting hair. This is also a psychological disorder. Now very important point, that is solution. There are so many queries from all age groups of both male and female that how hair fall can be stopped, can be controlled, how we can get healthy, beautiful, glossy hair with thick volume. Besides this, another query is also what brand should we use of hair oil, hair products like shampoo, conditioner, hair mask. So here I discuss few do's and don'ts of hair care. First, you should avoid number 1, frequent hot water bath. Number 2, overuse of hair straightener and hair dryer. Number 3, you should avoid chemical based hair products, conditioner, hair spa, hair bleach. Check your shampoo if it is containing sodium lauryl sulfate, which is basically detergent. Number 4, you should avoid any addictions, tobacco, smoking, alcohol. Number 5, you should avoid sugar, cola, packet food, processed food, fast food, foods containing added sugar, artificial color, artificial sweetener. Number 6, you should avoid environmental pollution. Now the part what you should do for proper hair care. Number 1, you should take vitamin D from natural sources, sunshine or sun exposure, or you can take vitamin D rich food like dairy products, mushrooms, soya milk, almond milk. Number 2, especially males should take dihydrotestosterone blocking and lycopene rich food like tomato, pumpkin, carrot, papaya, capsicum, bell pepper. Number 3, you should take iron rich food from spinach, beans, banana, black chana, fenugreek seeds or methi, and you should take vitamin C rich foods like citrus fruits from lemon, orange, amla, guava, pineapple, kiwi. Number 4, zinc is very essential for our hair growth, so you should take varieties of berries like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, pomegranate and kiwi. Number 5, good fats and seeds are required for healthy hair growth like almonds, cashew, flax seeds, peanuts and walnuts. Number 6, fatty fish is also essential for hair growth, which are enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B3, biotin and niacin. Number 7, avocado is very essential for hair growth, which is rich sources of vitamin E. Number 8, protein diet is very important for our hair growth, so you should take egg, lentils and black chana. Number 9, take antioxidants, mainly green tea, at least twice per day. Number 10, drink plenty of water. So guys, today special tips for you. I must recommend gentle scalp massage with mild hair oil without any fragrance at least twice in a week, and wash your hairs with an organic shampoo enriched with amla, shikakai and ritha at least twice in a week. Now very important part, that is treatment. There are so many homeopathic medicines to treat hair fall according to cause, and we get positive results after giving constitutional and symptomatic treatment. Here I am discussing few homeopathic medicines that you can't use without any doctor's consultation. 1. Hair fall due to liver problems, indigestion, faulty metabolism, cheridonium, lycopodium, sulfur and phosphorus. Number 2, hair fall due to physical trauma after surgery, accidents, after childbirth, arnica and hypericum. Number 3, hair fall due to dandruff of scalp, calisulf, badiaga, sanicula and tellurium. Number 4, hair fall due to psoriasis, sorinum and petroleum. Number 5, hair fall due to diabetes, anxiety, weakness, acid phos, netramure and China. Number 6, hair fall due to radiation and chemotherapy, thuja, cantharis and hypericum. Number 7, male pattern of alopecia, selenium, acid phos, nux vomica. Number 8, female pattern of alopecia, netramure and sepia. Number 9, alopecia due to eczema of scalp, graphitis and borax. Number 10, alopecia at top of head, vinca minor. Number 11, alopecia during pregnancy, lycopodium, netramure and sepia. Number 12, alopecia due to more circulation to scalp, acid floor. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow my description box Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get current notifications of my new videos. If you find this video is essential for you, please give me a like and share my video to your contacts. Keep comments about any type of hair problems and I will give you answer later.